Hello there, I'm David and welcome to my Micro Camper Diaries. We all like to get away from it all, and spending time in the countryside or maybe at the coast has been scientifically proven to reduce stress levels, help you find clarity and rejuvenate your mind and body. Just going somewhere different can make you feel so much better. Maybe that's the reason why so many of us in the UK rent holiday cottages. Are towing caravans. And some people still enjoy camping despite the unpredictable British weather. But there is now a growing number of people like myself who are commonly termed as the microcampers. Please ignore the change in scenery. This is my little workshop. If you've detected a slight Yorkshire accent, I should point out I now live here in North Wales. And the wonderful scenery that I filmed this morning for the start of the programme, bearing in mind it's December, has now changed to this. In the forthcoming programmes, I will be showing you how I have made small alterations to my vehicle to act as my very own microcamper, and hopefully looking at both other people's builds and the various kits out there. I hope you will join me on a few of my trips and adventures where I will highlight some of the problems and issues you might encounter, together with a few solutions. Right, so that's it for now. Thank you for putting up with me on this short vlog. So if you yourself have a microcamper or are considering converting your own car, then please press one of these wonderful buttons that YouTube provide down below to like, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the following episodes. Bye for now.